Now access is more easier. To learn this accessories, please subscribe our channel and press the bring button. First, when we open the access, at first we have to select the blank database. When I select the blank database, just the right side, you can able to see a folder button. Therefrom, I have to select the path where we want to save our database. Now write down the file name. Then I am pressing OK. See, here the path is right now changed. Now create option we will delete. At first automatically table created option will come. We have to delete it. Next, from the create option we will select table design. Next, here this window will open to our side where we have to give the field name. Before starting, we should remember it that field name must contain the underscore instead of any space. Space is not allowed here. I'm writing here student name. It is a textual type. Next, student code, ST code. I can make it also textual. Now, after giving this text, there are so many types of database. I'm showing it right now to you. I'm selected as text. Next, after selecting that, here the size of field size is coming. Therefrom, see this is the field size. This here 255, the default will be selected. I'm changing it. I'm making it around 6. Now I'm writing the next field name, that is course. Making it also text. Giving the proper field name, field size. After completion of all field name, right now from the design option I have to select the primary key where the unique field will be, that attribute will be selected by that primary key. Now I am giving the table name. I click on save button, there I am giving the table name. This way the first table is created. Now I will select again create table design. From there I am creating another table with the same type, same way. Here I am writing student code again. Here I have to remember that the student code what I mentioned in the previous table, that was in primary key. So when it is coming to the next table, it must be foreign key. So the field name, field data type and field size must be similar with the first one. Otherwise we can't able to make it foreign key. Now we are selecting this, that is the student ID. Next, college ID, then subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, all a number. Now after that, again I am selecting the same way. I am saving the table here. This is the course table. Now the board table is created. After creating, I am closing it. Now before entering data to this table, I want to make the relationship, that is the foreign key option. For that, goes to database tools, relationship, add both table, close. Now the course table, student role, and the student table student role is there. So click on the first one, drag to the second one, click on the first one and drag to the second one. Then the option will come where we have to give enforce referential integrity, cascade update, cascade delete. And why should we update this cascade update delete? That means in one table, if it will be changed, then it will shown to another table also. I repeat the task one more to show you. Again I am selecting, deselect that relationship, so I am selecting both tables right now also. Add. Now the students tables, student role should be select and dragged to the next tables. So this window will open to our side. Here I am giving the cascade update, delete and enforce referential integrity. Now the table is created along with the relationship. Here I am getting the relationship between one to many. Now after that, I save and close it. And when I open one table, first one table, that is the primary key consisting table, then it will come as datasheet view. I am entering some values here. Just I am entering one data. This is student name A, student roll number. It is primary key, so it should be unique. A123. And writing this course BBA. Suppose. Next one. After that, I'm pressing once more. After getting this course, entering more values right now. Just another name, student, student roll number, another course. Next, another one, I'm writing the same way. So here we are entering 3 students name, A, B, C, 3 students roll number, that must be unique, and 3 courses, BCom, BBA and MCA. Right now, after completion of that, here is a plus sign just beside there. When I click on this plus sign, this another tables window will open to our side. Therefrom, we can give or we can enter the second table's values. In this way, if we make, that means the relationship way it will come. So whatever the values we will enter to the related fields master table's primary key, that simultaneously comes as the second table's, that means the transaction table's data in foreign key. So we never have to reprint or retype that. If separately we open the two tables, then separately we have to give the unique values for primary key and related values for foreign key. But here we will not get such chance. Now here we are getting one error. Why this error? That means what the data type you entered, that values type you have to give, else you cannot able to proceed. See this? It's giving you some error. Now after that, entering the values. So we entered the values right now. Now after entering these values, this is the first ones, the primary key related field, we are entering two values in the second tables. Similar for second one and third one, we are entering the values. Now the values are entered. After entering the values, we have to save this. When I save it, it will be stored into our database field. And separately in both table, all the datas will be inserted properly. So after making relationship, the data values should be entered. Before making a relationship, if the values of the table is entered, then you can't able to make the relationship properly. After that, see this, both the table, all the data is right now goes there, all the data records. So after seeing this, we should have to close both the table. In every moment after saving, I am right now creating the query, create query at both table. Now suppose I am asking the student's name who scored 100 in subject 1. We want to see this. Who scored 100 in subject 1. So I entered a double click on their student name, it will come here, or you can drag it also. Similar way I am dragging subject 1. Now there are several types of query. Here you can see select query, update query, append query, delete query, cross tab query, etc. But here we need select query only to display. So I am doing that. Now the result is coming. So what we have to do for that, I repeat once more, that you have to select query, create query, then you have to select both the table, add, then drag according to your needed options. After that, give the proper criteria and then run. It will give you the detail. And saving this query as query 1. Now this way the query as well as the table data inserted in data value should be done. Now, to learn more access details or more effective lectures, please follow our channel, subscribe it and press the bell button. Thank you for seeing it.